Hey kids, it's your dad. As you can see, I bought the new GoPro 12 Black and the MacBook. It's my first MacBook. It's not my first GoPro. So I'm saying hi to you guys. Let's do the unboxing first of the GoPro 12 Black. Hey Sam, no, not now, I can't now. I can't now. This one, I bought the special bundle that comes with the handler enduro battery head strap, as you can see over here. My first GoPro I left in Brazil. I didn't bring to Canada. So happy, so happy. Oh, look at this case. So beautiful, this case. Hey. This is the handle. It also floats on the water. That's perfect. This one for the head. Ooh. One extra, one to put like on the helmet. The batteries, I have two extra batteries. One extra as well. My other GoPro, I broke it. I almost couldn't like release from the GoPro, the charge. And most important, oh my god, the GoPro. So beautiful. GoPro 12 Black. Let's see if we can turn. Okay, need to put the battery. Let me see, how can I open? Finally open. Okay, I'm reading how to do it. Let me just remove the paper from the battery. Yeah. Okay, let's put it in English. Stud screen. Need to buy an SD card. I forgot, because the guy was trying to sell me a lot of things and not the SD card, and I totally forgot about the SD card. It's on right now, because the SD card that I have here, I don't know if I can see. No, I can't. I need to buy an SD card, not just the. Okay, but at least this is the GoPro 12 waterproof. So dope, so dope. I can't wait to start using it. Okay, right now it's time to open my first MacBook. Look at how thin it is. Oh my god. Move the box. Look how beautiful it is. It's not heavy. Of course, it's not heavy. My first time opening it. Of course, I just opened the box. Ta-da! Ta-da! It also came with the charger. It's very important because it's so expensive to buy just the charger. Hello. So I'm really happy with these achievements. I don't know if I put it in Portuguese or in English. Because I'm gonna put
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
I pressed the return key. My country right now, I'm Brazilian, but I'm living in Canada, so
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
I'm gonna finish right now, but subscribe and thank you for watching, and I'm really happy. See ya.